In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Kimi AI to analyze the URL of any website or YouTube link. So as well, I have this URL from these 10 tips for improving your public speaking skills. So this is a blog by Harvard. Okay, so it explains all the tips and tricks that you need. So as well, I copy the link from this, and then I'm going to back to Kimi, and I just kind of ask it, can you explain and summarize the content of this link? So I quickly press in the link and then hit on enter. And let's see what it's going to give us directly. Okay, so it has quickly picked in that this is about 10 tips for improving public speaking skills. It's a Harvard HDC professional executive development blog. And then take a look at it is now condensing the 10 tips into a table form with the key takeaways or key idea from each of the content. Okay, so each of the tip, you can see the key idea. And I like the way it tabulates everything, giving you all the content you need from item 1, from tip 1 up to tip 10. You can see it very, very clearly and directly depicted. So the practice doesn't make perfect. So you can see it has done a reality check. Perfection is impossible. Aim for connection, not flawless. Preparation won't erase nerves. To shrink them to manageable levels. So this is a major takeaway that it has given us directly also from that particular blog that it has just read. So you can go ahead and analyze any blog, any YouTube link. You can paste it in here and ask it to analyze or give you key takeaways from it. It is going to do that for you directly. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.